Why the United States dollar still rules the world in 2026. What if I told you that no matter where you live in the world, your money is secretly controlled by one currency? Even countries that hate America still depend on the US dollar. So the real question is, why does the US dollar still dominate the global economy in 2026? And more importantly, could this power ever collapse? 1. The global power of the dollar. Right now, over 80% of global trade is done in US dollars. Oil, dollar. Gold, dollar. International business, mostly dollar. This system is called the global reserve currency system. And guess what? The United States controls it. That means asterisk countries need dollars to trade. Asterisk banks store dollars for safety. Asterisk investors trust the dollar more than anything else. This gives America massive economic power. 2. Oil and the petrodollar system. Here's where it gets interesting. Oil, the most important resource in the world, is priced in US dollars. This is known as the petrodollar system. Countries buying oil must first buy dollars. So even if a country doesn't like the US, they still need the dollar to survive economically. This creates constant global demand for USD. 3. Trust and stability. Let's be honest, money is just paper. Its real power comes from trust. And investors trust the US because asterisk strong economy, asterisk stable government, asterisk powerful institutions like the Federal Reserve. Compare that with countries facing inflation or crisis. Currencies like asterisk Turkey lira, asterisk Argentina peso. These lose value fast because people lose trust. But the US dollar, it's still seen as a safe haven. 4. Challenges to the dollar. But here's the twist. The dollar is powerful, but it's not untouchable. Countries like asterisk China, asterisk Russia, are trying to reduce their dependence on the dollar. Some are even trading in their own currencies. And new technologies like digital currencies are emerging. This could slowly weaken the dollar's dominance. 5. Can the dollar collapse? Let's answer the big question. Could the US dollar collapse? Short answer, not anytime soon. Why? Because no other currency is ready to replace it. Asterisk euro has internal issues. Asterisk China's system lacks transparency. Asterisk crypto is still unstable. The dollar may weaken, but it's still the king for now. So in 2026, the truth is clear. The US dollar dominates the world, not just because of power, but because of global trust, demand, and history. But the future? That's where things get interesting. Do you think the dollar will stay king? Or is a new currency about to take over? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real finance breakdowns.